If women come together and share their ideas and learn from each other, they help each other grow together.
I feel that women in product design and engineering can help lift each other by just being great role models for their team. I think it's really important for us to demonstrate how we are collaborating with each other, mentoring, and seeing the next generation of designers, product leaders, and engineers coming up through the ranks.
One important lesson I learned in this field was definitely around tailoring communication styles. It's not just about asking for support, but for giving support and mentoring others as well.
I'm doing a lot of coaching at the moment where I'm talking to younger women and I'm encouraging them to recognize that diversity, lean into that village, understand that through their career there will be continual change. And that's okay. And that is the perspective and the talent and the superpower that women bring to the way that they work.
I've learned a tremendous amount from the experts and all the wonderful mentors who have helped to support me in my time. Being someone that can help provide direction and guidance to help empower and grow people is what really good leadership looks like.
You actually help each other grow. If you teach each other what you know, then those slots are not going to run out. It's not like, oh, only one woman can succeed and therefore it has to be me. You can all succeed together.
It's important for women leaders to be part of a community because we amplify voices, because we build diversity, and because the technology available to us today allows us to strengthen those communities and to use those communities to fundamentally change the types of products that we can bring into the world.
I think women in this space can continue to sort of put themselves out there a lot more, offering support to other women who are entering the workforce, offering guidance.
There's no limitation of how many women can succeed in this world. We can help each other grow. We can speak each other's names in rooms where other women are not yet present and make people aware that there's so much talent. When women lift each other up, we achieve something we cannot do alone.